Yo, check out this nasty steps and driveway. I'm about to blast this with some serious pressure washing action. So stick around, because this is gonna be the most satisfying thing you've seen all week. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's go.
Nozzle twist, laser focus like a hitman. Concrete surging, dirt fleeing like it's quicksand. Oil stains got them ghosts like a seance. Pressure so strong, neighbors watching from the fence, hands on. I'm Picasso with the rinse line, sharp as barbed wire. Soap suds dance like sparks from a campfire. Rust, grease mold, I don't miss a thing. Crown me with the wand, I'm the pressure wash king. Pressure bust pipes, pressure make shine. I'm a dirt assassin, stains running out of time. Pressure bust pipes, pressure make clean. Hitting grime with the force of a laser beam. Pressure bust pipes, pressure make shine. Hoses on deck and the rinse so divine. Pressure bust pipes, pressure make clean. They all tune in, satisfying on the screen. Hoodie on, mask tight, I'm the clean bandit. Caked up grime, yeah, I came to reprimand it. Brick walls, patio stones, wooden decks. Blast so crisp, you can see your own specs. Hoodie on, mask tight, I'm the clean bandit. Caked up grime, yeah, I came to reprimand it. Brick walls, patio stones, wooden decks. Blast so crisp, you can see your own specs. Nozzle twist, laser focus like a hitman. Concrete surging, dirt fleeing like it's quicksand. Oil stains got them ghosts like a seance. Pressure so strong, neighbors watching from the fence, hands on. I'm Picasso with the rinse line, sharp as barbed wire. Soap suds dance like sparks from a campfire. Rust, grease mold, I don't miss a thing. Crown me with the wand, I'm the pressure wash king. Pressure bust pipes, pressure make shine. I'm a dirt assassin, stains running out of time. Pressure bust pipes, pressure make clean. Hitting grime with the force of a laser beam. Pressure bust pipes, pressure make shine. Hoses on deck and the rinse so divine. Pressure bust pipes, pressure make clean. They all tune in, satisfying on the screen.